Okay, welcome everyone to the first edition of Hardware News. On this show today, start with the new Ryzen 7 4700G that manages to reach the same performance as the Ryzen 7 3800X with a much smaller TDP at 65 watts. As you can see here, this chip has big potential, more likely in the business part and in the low end or high refresh rate gaming, and it really looks like a very good part, and we might just see a nice 900k competitor here. Of course it's unlocked and you can totally overclock it yourself. Okay, next news. Tiger Lake XC GPU that manages to beat out the new Nvidia GeForce MX 350 and the 7nm Renoir Vega GPU. This was expected from Intel, as their new XC architecture has been promising this performance for a lot of time, and now with the 11th generation Tiger Lake CPUs we can see that performance in action. For the desktop part of the market, we might need to expect for later this year with the DG1, maybe a higher end part, but 2021 is the most likely year that we're gonna see competitive desktop graphics. But so far we see Tiger Lake XC leaked, and this shows a lot of potential for Intel going forward. As you can see here in the OpenCL benchmark, the CPUs are head to head and the GPUs are also fighting. Yeah, this really shows that Intel is really into the integrated graphics market, and you might just see a high level of competitiveness between AMD, Intel, and of course AMD. I guess we'll get to see the next generation what provides. Okay, next news. We are into AMD's next gen 7nm plus Zen 3 Epyc Milan spotted for the first time. As this article says, it's an engineering sample that already got to 2.2 GHz on core, which is very good for a server chip. And as this is an engineering sample, we can expect more performance in the final chip, but obviously this is a good start. As you can see, we have been expecting the Zen 3 CPUs later this year, and with the desktop launch we are expecting the server launch as well, and this provides a lot of information regarding what we can expect from the performance of the new Zen 3 based Epyc and next gen Threadripper CPUs. And that leads up to the next news that we have. Okay, so the next news is Huawei's power desktop PC with the 7nm Kunpeng 920 processor using 8 core from HiSilicon, and this is pretty good, especially because Kunpeng processors that stretch up to 64 cores, as stated in here, can support to PCIe 4.0. This is a good improvement, and showing that Huawei is going to get into the desktop market quite soon. This is a finite system, so it can be bought, but in China only, and this actually helps the Chinese government in their shift towards Chinese made products by the end of 2022 or 2023 in government buildings, and this is a good improvement. DDR4 2666 and just PCIe 3.0 for this chip. I don't think there is a price mentioned in here. Yeah, So this is a great improvement. I hope to see more of this in the next years. And that, I think, concludes this episode of Tech News. Hope you liked it. It's the first episode I've done so far. There is a podcast between me and my friend of us that we are going to discuss more hardware news this week. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, and also if you want me to improve something, leave it in the comments. I'll read every single one. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.